Alright, so hello and welcome back. Alright, so in this video, like I said, we're going to cover how you can both make this a printer-friendly area, as well as make it so that they don't have to do negative digit mathematics, which, in my opinion, is, you know, we should allow that, but this is going to be one painful video because we have to rework practically everything that we do mathematically in order to prevent there from being a negative number. Alright, so let's get to this then. So, one thing that we're going to go ahead and do is we're going to go ahead and make it an option as to whether there needs to be a negative or not, okay? And we're definitely going to, especially with this issue, we're definitely going to abstract those ternary operators into individual variables so that we don't have giant ternary operators inside of this program. So, yeah. So let's go ahead and put that, and then we will put a opt group of this, and we will go ahead and say, oh, hey. Okay, so now that we've got that down, this will probably, oh, this will be much bigger. Oh, okay. Alright, so now we need to extrapolate this into two variables that can handle this issue. So, first thing we'll do is var random meter small. No, because we need to, no. Decision equals, and we'll close it off there, and then we'll do random meter big decision equals, and we'll close it off there. So, and then we'll need the number 2 for the double digits. Yeah, I know, I just realized what I was doing. Sorry for anyone who's been cringing at the fact that I've been basically switching back and forth between JavaScript best practices and Ruby best practices. Yeah, sorry about that. Okay, so first things first is let's extract this and put you in here and fix you. Okay, and then we'll go ahead and put random meter small. What? Oh. Really? I did that. Random meter small decision. And that should abstract it to that. And this should abstract it to number 2. Okay, so we are now able to test and see if this works. Let me guess. We can't do it because it doesn't exist. Yeah, it doesn't exist. Son of a bitch. No, wait. know I could make one massive function, but that would basically be pointless. How can I get it to do that? Oh, I think I see a way. I think I see a way. I might be able to make this into a function. Let's go ahead and get me out of there. Take this and bring you down here. And then I should be able to extrapolate. No, not this. Stop it. And we'll just say decision. Now what we should be able to do is we should be able to just, because it's essentially the same thing, we just copied it and did it differently. So we should just be able to put in randometer small and randometer small too. Should just be able to do that. Okay, so let's go ahead and test it. This is single over single, so it should be able to generate it. It does look like it generates it. Alright, sweet. We were able to extrapolate it. Which means we can now make this much smaller. And this can get as complicated as we fucking want it to. See, it's starting to come back to me. What? Do I need to do this? Oh. No. Go away. So now, because we've got these two, I should go ahead and come down here and make this go in here. Yep, I should be able to do it for all of them. Why is that bigger? Oh, because I put 2 in there. Alright. Okay, now that we've extrapolated it, now now we need to solve the negative issue. First, we need to be able to grab the negative. So, we need to come down here. And we need to say negative. How do we grab that? I think we just grabbed the vowel, didn't we? R negative equals console.log. Negative. Alright, so that works. So we now have the ability to grab the negative value. We don't need function, open that up, bring that down. I don't think we need to do that. And then we can just say that it's that. Okay, so let's make sure that this is working. That's all. Generate. Okay, so yay! It works. Okay. Actually, because we could actually extrapolate this a little bit further. And this would allow us to do mathematics. But no, I think there's a much simpler solution than changing all of our code. Essentially, all we need to do is find the difference between the top number and the bottom number. I think the way we can do that is function negative detection. X and Y. I'll put first number and second number. Huh. I think we need two different functions. I think, let's see, if, actually we can just return first number minus second number is equal to, is less or equal to 0. No, we just want it less than 0, because 0 is okay, kids can count to 0. So, we want to return the second number. Otherwise, we want to return the first number. And then we want to return the first number. Otherwise, we want to return the second number. Because the way I'm thinking of this, okay, so if the first number is smaller than the second number, and that results in less than 0, then we want the second number to come first, instead of the first number. And then we do the math again to find out if the first number or second number is going to result in a negative. And then because we put the second number first, now we are switching it with the first number. So that should allow us to detect negatives. Now, because we left it as an option, that's going to be a little bit difficult. Actually, no, it's not. There I go again. Okay, so if it's 0, then it's true. True. Otherwise, it's false. Okay. So now that we have that, console.log negative result. Okay. We can open the console. We can clear the console. We can generate it. Okay, so it does come out as true, and this does come out as false. So now that we know that, we can prop this up top, and that'll give us access to it throughout the program. We can hoist it. To test it, we just need a console clear. Where's single? Console.log negative result. Okay. And it's undefined. Maybe I need to just select it as true by default, right? Okay. True. Oh, no. I think I know where I need to put this. Yep, okay. So now the entire program has access to it. So, once again, we get a little bit more complicated. Because now if it's true, then we want to detect it. Otherwise, we don't want to detect it, and we don't care about it. So, what we're going to do is we're going to say negative detect higher. We're going to pass it animator small and animator 2. Okay. Now we can copy this and we can paste this and we just, whoa. We just need smaller to go here. Okay, so let's see if we get to, what the heck happened to my numbers? I think, nope. I think we need to do that. Oh my gosh. Oh, okay. So, whoopsies. I did it wrong. Okay, so I kind of did it right and I kind of did it wrong. It needs to get even bigger. Holy criminy. Animator. Small. Decision. Okay, this should resort... Okay. Wow! Oh my gosh! The complexity is real. Holy crap! Why do kids have to be so complex? Perhaps if you know a better way to write this, you can go ahead and maybe link an example down below. But I'm just this is my first go through. I might refactor some other time, but this is just my first go through. So let's go ahead and try and do this. Let's go ahead and make sure false works. And it looks like false works. Okay, so I am not going to be writing that again. However, luckily, we only need to write this for 2 classes. That's right. We only need to write this for the single over single and the double over the double, right? Because single over double will always result in a negative if you're doing subtraction, okay? So, and double over single will always result in a positive number. So, we only need to do this for 2 of them. Now we just need to find the second one. I don't want it! Holy crap! Oh my gosh, okay, here we go. Let's go here, make a comment. The negative, we need big decision and big decision. And then we need big, 2. We just need big. Oh, wait a minute. Did I account for that? Oh, wait, no, yeah, no, I didn't account for it here. Okay, so we want to copy this and replace this guy. And then we want to replace this guy, but we just want to use number 2 instead. Okay, so now that complex thing is out of the way, let's go with false. Double over double. Okay, so 30, no negative, that's not negative, that's not negative, what? Whoa. Oh. So, all of these could end up as a negative. Now let's switch it on and see if the filter works. So, what did I do? Oh. Smaller. Well, at least I know it's detecting it. So, we want double over double. True. Okay, so... Yep. Uh-oh. Something's not working. Something didn't calculate right. Let's see what happened. So, negative result is turned on, which means that this one has to return the smaller one, while this one has to turn the higher one. Well, I don't get it. How did that mess up? If 50 minus 30 is a negative number, return the second number. Okay, if 50 minus 30 is less than 0, then return... If 50 minus 30 is less than 0, return the second number. And then if 50 minus 30 is less than, return 30 over 50. Right? 50 minus 30 is less than... Okay, so... What should have happened is that it should be 50 over 30. Because 30 minus 50 is negative 20. So it would return the 50 first, and then it would return that. Let's make sure that single over single is working. Protected. Yep. Yeah, let's generate another one, see if it happens there. So, it's working fine It seems like it's working fine for the single digit and not the double digit. Yeah, so it seems like it's working fine for the single digit, but not the double digit. So something is referenced wrong in the double digit. Single over single, double over single, single over double, double over double. So if there's a negative result on, then we want the randomator big decision. So essentially we want that to format it. But we're going to pass through big and big 2. And then in the second one, we're going to pass in the same thing. I don't understand. I don't get it. I don't get it. Animator, big decision. So this is detecting the higher one. That's detecting the lower one. Technically, it should be working. It works. It works. Oh, I think I might know why. I think it's because I'm adding the 0. Uh-oh. That's no good. No. 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 Is it? -1, add a 0. Alright. So, x minus 1. If x is not equal to 100, then check if x is... Oh, I think it is. Oh my gosh. Son of a bitch! Son of a fucking bitch! Ah! Okay. I need more coffee! I need coffee for this crap! Alright, I think I know of a way that we can avoid trying to make this even more complex. By making it more complex! Essentially, we need to detect whether one of them is a single digit or a double digit. Son of a bitch. Oh, no, wait. This is double over double, right? Oh, yeah, it is. Well, to be honest... No, because that would still cause a problem. Yes, I know, I could put the 0 in front of the single digit, and technically it would be still double-digit mathematics. But that's not the point. Now, what's running through my head is I could probably just add 10 to it, but then you run into the small exception of what if the difference between the numbers is 10, right? Oh, wait a minute. Wait. I know what I can do. Oh, I didn't even think about this before. Mind you, this is once again going to create more complexity, but I do not need to do very much. Essentially, less than 10. Let's go ahead and change this. Yes, I have thought of a way to do it. And then we just... Okay, so we revalidated everything. See? You see? Actually, I can extrapolate this and make it one function. Oh, my bad. And just because I really want to make sure that it does not get confused. Okay, so now we can do double over double and see what happens. Whoa, 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 whoa. I think it's because I put it in the parentheses. Alright, well I figured out what was causing the Boolean value. Up here, there was apparently a negative, a less than 10. So it was just giving a true, or a false. And since you can't really do math with that and formulate it, it just resolved it into a Boolean. So, now we still are getting issues with the negative part. So, let's go up and follow the logic and see what happened. Okay, so in this case, we would have Okay, so this is irrefutable. If we minus 10 from either one of these, then they would not basically be... We could technically... we could further extrapolate that. I don't understand. Alright, so I've figured out how to get a print page generated. But I've got to do some experimenting to find out how we can keep the format, because it seems like it has decided to change everything on me. So essentially what this is doing is it's creating a new window, it's setting a width, and it's setting a height, and then it's determining what we need to write into it, and I've decided to put in the actual HTML, which would only copy all the numbers that were generated rather than the symbols we use in the CSS. So pretty much all the CSS would be ignored. So I will experiment with this and get back to you.
Alright, so I took quite a bit of time, and apparently I have to paste this entire thing in order for this to actually work. So essentially it's just all the styles that I wrote for the this down here. And then once I do that, I can go in here and add the HTML content. I can generate it, and then I can print it. And everything is mostly aligned. I doubt a kid is going to know the difference between a pixel or two. If you want, you can go ahead and provide me with maybe some suggestions on how to fix this, but otherwise I'm pretty much overall satisfied with how this has been developed. Alright guys, so overall I'm pretty glad with how this has been developed. Alright guys, I guess I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.